Hello and welcome to the Kymera Systems module development videos. In this video we'll be going over the Kymera Utility Scripts Module. This module exposes a number of scripting and expression functions that help to speed up and simplify development inside of Ignition. As with all of our modules, you can navigate to kymerasystems.com, check out the Products Ignition Modules page, and select the module you're looking for. This module comes in a number of different versions, so be sure to download the version that's right for you. In this demonstration, I will be going over just a small handful of the possible utility scripts provided, but you can view our documentation for the full list. To start with, the system.menu.addText function will add text to the menu header. As expected, remove text can remove specified text from the header, and additionally, clear menu will, as expected, clear the entire menu. The system.net.http getBytes function retrieves bytes from a URL. In this example, I have it retrieving the documentation for this module and then printing it. Now we can see in demo.pdf that these bytes have been retrieved and printed. The system.tag.getAttribute function is a handy way to receive specific attributes from a tag. For example, I can get the attribute engHigh from the utility scripts current minute tag, and you can see that the result is printed out as 100.0. The system.template.getFirstValidTemplate function takes a list of potentially valid template paths and returns the first template path that is a valid template. In this example, we have the templates cold tank and hot tank. And if I get first valid template, you can see it skips over all of the template paths that are invalid until it finds the first valid template and returns that path to me. Similarly, the system.template.isValidTemplate will simply return whether or not a template path is valid. The system.alarm.createNotifier function is a handy way to create simple and dynamic notification dialogues. You'll see here, this is a demonstration alert has popped up and will remove itself after a small timeout. And finally, the system.stats functions, 3 of which are listed here, calculates and returns statistical information on the data it receives. For example, I could call system.stats.calculateMean on this dataset, which is set to calculate the mean of the output temperature on this graph, determines a value of 17.745. I could calculate the median, which returns 15.0. And finally, I could calculate the standard deviation, 12.889. Now this is just a small subset of all of the options available to you. So to view the entire list, navigate to your Ignition gateway, configure module section, scroll down to the module in question, and click the View Documentation button.